taste tears. I want to free the beast from his cage. Mad like my aging soul. I want to make it out. I want to make it out. Worth something worth the guillotine on my head. I'm a fantastic wreck, wrecking everyone around me. I'm a fantastic wreck. And if I'm a little bit deranged, would you not estrange me or change me? And if I can write your name, can I be angry and nasty? And if nothing else can change me, and I'm just this way, then would you love me? I want to taste skin, I want to lace wings from all the clouds in my name, walking heavy on a crystal life. I want to make myself, I want to make myself worth something, worth the thoughts that run through my head. I'm a fantastic wreck, wrecking everyone around me. I'm a fantastic wreck. And if I'm a little bit deranged, would you not estrange me or change me? And if I can write your name, can I be angry and nasty? And if nothing else can change me, and I am just this way, then would you love me? And if I'm a change me? And if I can write your name, can I be angry and nasty? And if nothing else can change me, and I ain't just this way, then would you love me? 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 Would you love me?
Here's the scenery, leisurely walking eagerly. Just departed to friends with some drinks in the eatery. I gotta make out, session at 2 o'clock. She's grilling me, sliding a statement to say she's really feeling me. She put her hand on my waist, tasting perfume in the doorway. Body language is everywhere, I guess it's a short day. She's either scorned or she suffers from a disorder. Too many lines across when our mental states don't border. Don't know what you were thinking, so on the brink, you needed something to weaken. Someone to keep in what you're doing is speaking. Your tongue in your cheek and you're adorable weeping. Your water can leak in, fill up the room as soon as I'm stuck in the deep end. I clinged to a beacon, I was sinking my teeth in. I flew from your region, left you some of my demons. You was some sort of treatment or something else. She is seeing evil Knievel, a charm no equal. I crashed already, jumping my ego to meet you. Her tongue slowly passes her lips like a shark's fin. I'm in trouble waters now, heart bleeding. She's starving, her feelings got teeth are into me. Look what you did to me, nothing. A scientist, a pine and piss in chemistry. We can sit from a VA, bitching about what we hate. You'll probably offend me by then, trying to relate. Don't know what you were thinking, so on the brink, you needed something to weaken. Someone to keep in what you're doing is speaking. Your tongue in your cheek and you're adorable weeping. Your water can leak in, fill up the room as soon as I'm stuck in the deep end. I came to a beacon, I was sinking my teeth in. I flew from your region, left you some of my demons. You were some sort of treatment or something else.
Now you messing with men. If I was around 5 years ago, I'd probably be in the pen. Cause every motherfucker wanna step out of in at your house with some roid raging boys and a gun in your mouth. And now to shot you little bitches to go viral for an hour. Yeah, my papa passed away and then the family lost a house. It was a struggle for the bills, I was hungry to survive. If it came down to it, I was checking your ride. And I still do the dirty work if it means staying alive. Cause for bad and for worse, I'm the one who provides. I don't talk, I don't tell, I don't snitch, I just ride. These boys yelling out loud, thinking they ride deep. Until I grab that big machete and go creep through the creek. I wish a motherfucker would be with me for a week. You come get Jeffrey Dahmer punk and disappear in the era of trees.
I hear the sound on the water. I see the bird in the sky. I feel the sun getting hotter. But I just wanna know that I'm still alive.
Many a night I wrote just to write. Spent years digging in, making sure I didn't sound alike. Now I'm on my delivery, getting dollar bills, focusing my energy and trying not to swallow pills. Yeah, I'm playing it in prayer. Spent time in silence and realizing something's there. So pretty please bring a diss track. I leave with love, but God's wrath is what you'll get back. And I'm not even bragging, but I'm plugged in, son. My higher power is a dragon. Drake is feminine, Birdman is a faggot. A sword fight can't create life, God won't have it. And I ain't no homophobe. before Uncle Tommy died of AIDS. He was my faith, queer as a 14 of spades. So if you're feeling triggered, maybe you should take some days off. Read a couple hustlers and see if that shit pays off. Idolizing bitch boys cause daddy was gone. Nice men French kissing, calling hubby on the microphone. Biggie would not be proud. Oh.
I hear the sound on the water. I see the bird in the sky. I feel the sun getting hotter. But I just wanna know that I'm still alive.
me. Me versus you. You versus me and me versus you. You versus me and me versus you. You versus me and you.
Can you picture a little boy dragging wood down the lane? Grandma waiting for him, brother playing outside in the rain. Each day we hear the score before night after shots of war. And the road to him is love, but the love is never
Wishing it all to end, enraged by the slaughtering. Thoughts explode like my head's a grenade, and I draw the pen. Talking to men with one choice to run or for defend. Must punish to win. Gotta let that gun off for you can. The only laws is no laws at all. Once it begins, upon the smell of blood, violence is absorbed into the skin. And the thoughts of kids caught up should torture people to death. Now freedom's with them. See if they morph and see any sense. Share.
Can you picture a little boy dragging wood down the lane? Grandma waiting for him, brother playing outside in the rain. Each day we hear the score before night after shots of war. And the road to him is love, but the love is never
Not all
more.
true pictures of war are drawn in the news, so we paint them a little more like George Ghettos do. Jaded because we didn't hear them calls coming through. How we savor our days if we have to walk in them shoes. Countries can't build without support for the youth. They lost when the most important resources abused. Forming our views and now picking up on the cues. Inner city blues stop many from listening to the clues. Voices on mute, and so we whisper this to you. No time for school, many children being listened to be troops, and we walk thinking that the system got us screwed like we talk. Just to keep a short distance from the truth. When scores are born, only to be drifting to a noose when we can't. We'll be saying, Lord forgive, we never knew. Gotta question my men. Got the scriptures misconstrued, and why spending on weapons and not assistance is the rule. Yeah.
Can you picture a little boy dragging wood down the lane? Grandma waiting for him, brother playing outside in the rain. Each day we hear the score before night after shots of war. And the road to him is love, but the love is never more.
Horrid choice for people to have to make. Another body of, I think, probably a 15-year-old boy being carried past me now. You know, who faces that choice? Who faces that choice? Who faces that choice?
Yeah, we caught up in them visions that they have shown us. And now the millions of innocents that been blown up. Cold hearts is connecting us from our own blood. For their rejectors, it's best that they blindfold us.
Can you picture a little boy dragging wood down the lane? Grandma waiting for him, brother playing outside in the rain.
We caught up in the visions that they have shown us. And now the millions of innocents that been blown up. Cold hearts is connecting us from our own blood.
to a puppet. I've been myself in the darkness and I'm the same way in public. Guess I'm a target cause they aren't in charge of what they are stuck with. I wear my heart on my arm and I spill the guts on my stomach. All of a sudden I'm hunted cause they don't like what I said. But only dummies would choose to follow a wolf who is dead. Tear the flesh off of your bones and keep it ghost in my head. You looking just like a clown and I'm the bull in the pen. And the labels aren't able to get in touch when they call. Cause I know all the A&Rs and I'm ignoring them all. Don't need a manager to help me, I keep blowing them off. And all the rappers who doubted me, I've been proving them wrong. They wanna give me a record deal to control me efficiently. Cause as long as I ain't signed, I'll keep exposing the industry. And they know if I put my name on that line, it's a victory. Then they'll censor my message and try to rewrite my history. I don't need the publicity, I need all of my friends to know if I disappear tomorrow, it's because of them. They don't want you empowered, they want you willing to spend all of your money on products so that they get their percent. But I'm a different breed of person, liquor seeping through the surface. Try and cut me and I'll drink the blood, the stitches leaking bourbon. And my fans are all amazing, I officially deserve them. I'll effectively eliminate and burn who tries to hurt them. This my element, the weapons and the skeletons are evidence of everything I did. Well, I defended what was delicate. Machete blades and severed heads and human teeth on necklaces. Electric fences humming through the night while I'm confessing that I am whatever you say I am. It makes no difference to me if you won't shake my hand. I got my freedom of speech and I will make my stand. I won't ever take a seat to please the mainstream plan. Cause I